Since the dawn of civilization, the sea has been an important component of the story of the Emirates, a very generous source of life, treasures, imagination and adventure. Alfattan family, one of the ancient Emirati families, built ships of every kind to help them wander around the waters, which they considered nothing more than an extension to land. Eventually, they mastered the game of sailing towards the unknown, challenging the odds by their unique knowledge and understanding of their old friend, the sea. Until in 1987, it sparked the official beginning of the shipbuilding industry under the guidance of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces. And in 2009, all efforts were culminated by establishing Alfattan Ship Industry. Today, at 300,000 square meters, Alfattan Manufacturing Yard in Al Sadr Port reached the capacity of fabricating up to 20,000 metric tons of steel per year. And it all started with a dream, a vision that required hard work and a lot of ambition to deliver the spirit of our ancestors into the modern world. Alfattan Ship Industry develops and manufactures fiberglass boats with proven hull design, which serves military fast patrol and interceptor category, integrated with state-of-the-art technology and weapon system, working under the Association of International Rules and Standards for Coastal Protection. Its commercial activities include, but not limited to, building of steel and aluminium ships, repairs and maintenance of vessels. Etihad Shipbuilding, confirming the strategic importance of the Middle Eastern market and the sound and fruitful partnership Fincantieri has established with the United Arab Emirates in Abu Dhabi, a joint venture between Alfattan Ship Industry, Fincantieri and Melara Middle East, which designs, produces and sells both civilian and naval vessels, besides offering maintenance and refitting services. Today, more than ever, acquiring foreign orders means that ships are built in local shipyards to guarantee high quality and speedier delivery times. Siham Al Khalij Technology, SAKT, is a UAE joint venture between Alfattan Ship Industry and Melara Middle East, and it is the result of a perfect synergy between its two shareholders. SAKT main business is to supply its customers in the region with suites of military systems which will be in various degrees designed, assembled, manufactured, installed, integrated, tested, commissioned and maintained at its local facility at Al Sadr Port. SAKT has established partnerships and industrial agreements with various international suppliers such as Leonardo Defense System Division, MBDA, GEM Electronica, among so many others, in order to guarantee the transfer of technology. Alfattan Marine Services is a UAE-based company and recognized as one of the fastest growing providers of integrated onshore-offshore engineering and fabrication support, vessels, logistics and marine services through four main divisions: onshore and offshore engineering and construction, marine construction, ship management and maritime security. AFMS Onshore and Offshore Division has experience in building offshore jackets, topside, pipe rack and refurbishment of accommodation jack-up barge. AFMS vision and mission reflects a focus on delivering high-quality products on time and in a safe, suitable environment and creating a value for all our stakeholders. AFMS focuses on cultivating long-term relationships with clients to ensure their full advantage of the diverse services offered by the company in the Middle East and other areas across the globe.